up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Like always, I am your favorite Liberian boy. Now, in today's video, I am at the PHP Park. Although I'm not going to be spending the day here, but I'm starting the video here because today is Unification Day and I am at the Unification Square right here at PHP Park. Now, Unification Day was set aside by the government during those days. According to Google, this is not me saying it, according to Google, this was to unify the free Black American slaves that came to Liberia and the locals that were here in Liberia. You understand? So this is a part of our history and I hope you guys are having a very great Unification Day, whatsoever part of the world you are watching this video from. But in today's video, we're going to be vlogging. You're going to be spending Unification Day with me. You know why everybody is out drinking and enjoying themselves? For me, I have to work. So from here, I'm going to shoot one of my clients' video, Big Drip. You have seen him on this channel before. We're going to shoot some promotional content for him. Then I'm going to meet up with a friend, Emma, and yeah, Ruby is in the car. So Ruby is going to be in this video as well as Isaiah holding the camera right now. So without further ado, let's get right into the video, guys. Let's go. Alright guys, so because today is Unification Day, there are a lot of people selling food here at the PHP Park, so I got some food for us. Ruby, come say hi. Yeah!
Hi guys!
So we have a whole bunch of food.
Happy Unification Day.
I got potato salad.
They put mayo.
Yeah, they put mayo on it.
Jollof
Rice and jollof rice, because Isaiah said he wanted jollof too.
Okay.
So pick one. Oh, spoons, eh?
Yeah.
Why they put 2 spoons?
Am I gonna taste some of yours?
Yes, you will.
You taste mine?
I don't want jollof rice. You know I don't want jollof rice. Anyway, guys, that's it. We will eat from here, then we'll go to Big Drip to shoot some promotional content for him.
Emma,
you understand?
it's almost, she said she's on her way.
Emma is always on her way?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're meeting up another friend too at Big Drip.
Yes.
So I guess we'll have to eat while going.
Food.
Let's go, guys.
Bye, guys.
Alright guys, so we just reached Jack Place, Big Drip. We're about to enter in. At the same time, I'm waiting for a friend, Emma. She's on her way. So I guess we'll just wait for her in there while we shoot. You understand? Ruby is still eating in the car. Come see. This is what happens. This is what happens when you bring Ruby along. You always have to feed her all the time. All the time, guys. All the time. But anyway, let's go in. I don't know if she will come in now, but we have to go in because the client is waiting. Hey guys, so we are waiting for the artist to come. I am resting a bit. Thankfully, the artist is delaying, so it gives me a little bit of time to rest because I have been working non-stop for the whole week and the week before and the week after. So because today is Unification Day, I don't have a lot to do. I just have one client today to shoot, which is, oh, thank you. Thank you for the lights. I just have one client to shoot today, which is Jack from Big Drip, and he has one of the most popular, I wouldn't say one of the most popular, I would say one of the most trending artists in Liberia presently, coming to shoot some promotional content for him, you know, because with his brand, he has a clothing and sneaker store. So mostly, you know, he used artists to help promote his brand. Do you understand? And that's what we're here for. We're here to shoot some content. But like I said, the artist hasn't come yet, so I am just waiting patiently, actually resting until the artist come. And this one is having a time of her life. She just ate, so you know, a full Ruby is a happy Ruby. All right, man, so let's wait for this artist real quick. All right, guys, so we just got Emma. Emma just came. You remember the friend I told you that was coming here to meet us? She's here. And Meezy.
How y'all doing?
Leave us with one Liberian word.
Oh man, the two plenty word. Okay, I'm gonna come carry you scholar sometime. Yeah, you're gonna come charo with me next time to Bento.
Who be teaching you these things, bro?
I try it.
All right, man. Yeah, that's the word of the day. Charo with me.
Charo, yeah, I give you charo.
Anyway, we're waiting for the artist to come and then we can start shooting. So we'll just show you for a bit. All right, man. So let's wait a bit again. Alright guys, so we're gonna get some food to eat because the artist is wasting time. Guys, comment down in the comment section if you want Emma to be speaking more colloquial.
Yeah, and then tell me what should I be busting? You want me to the local food? Should I be getting potato green? Should I be tabogi? What should I be getting? Yeah.
Guys, let's go get food and come back. We just want to get food.
Let's go. I mean, he gonna carry me?
River.
Sure.
Yeah, man. So, guys, that's how I employ my assistant, right? I asked him, "Do you smoke? Do you drink?" And when he said no, I was like, perfect guy. Perfect guy for the job. Yeah, I don't have anything against people who drink or smoke, but for my field, I feel like you always have to, remember where you place things and stuff like that. And
Attentive mind.
Yeah, you have to be attentive. So I just rather somebody who don't do none of those things. You understand? To work with me because I don't do none of those things too. So
Wow.
yeah.
Romantic alive.
Yeah.
But I drink.
Yeah, but I don't drink. Alright guys, so we are here at the eatery, one of the best places to get Asian food. Korean and what? Chinese food, eh? Yeah, one of the best places to get Asian food. So these women are hungry, so brought them to find food. By the way, they also have Liberian food here too. So just in case you were thinking, oh, it's only Asian food. No, they have Liberian dishes here too. So you got wings, you got fried rice, you got plantain. Nice. Apart from Asian food, but they specialize in Asian food. Do you understand? Guys, I'm not hard to be pleased when I come to places like this. Asian food, I describe Asian food as exotic food, like food that I'm not used to. You understand? So I just go for the simplest thing, sandwiches or what I know. And I'm not a rice person. I don't like rice, so sandwich would be the best thing for me right now. So that's what I'm getting. Women in photos, guys, this is what happens. She did a new hair or she has a new hair on, so she's like, I want photos, I want photos. So now she has photos and she cannot stop staring at the photos.
Cute.
Alright guys, so this is the artist we're shooting today. He's supposed to be in an interview with me on this channel, but we'll reschedule it one of these days. So let's get right to the video. Alright guys, so we just got done with today's shoot. I'm about to leave here, probably go for a basketball game at SKD. That's if it's still on. Jack, what do you think about the shoot?
Man, this is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be lit. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all watch it. Great experience, man.
That's great.
The one and own it.
Exactly.
Best to ever do it. You get?
Where the artists come true. Vixen come true. Yeah, so this is the artist and this is the man who we're shooting today.
Yeah, this is our boy Nash.
Yeah.
Mago Polo / Mago Polo.
How was the shoot though?
Yeah, it was magnificent. Thank you. Big shout out to you, bro.
Man, no problem. Vixen, come say hi. Come say hi to the vlog. How do you enjoy the shoot? Sorry.
It was nice, like a great experience, like seeing new people and doing strange things, yeah.
Have you done this before?
No, it's my first time.
But how was your experience though? Okay?
Yeah, it was good.
Would you do this again?
Of course I will.
Okay. All right, man. So let's go to the next area. All right, guys. So we are here at Nice Cream. One of the best ice cream spots in Liberia is located at 9th Street, Cinco. And this is what it looks like. They have every flavor ever in the history of ice cream here. Just about to order some right now, and then I can sit and explain to you how this day is going to end. Guys, look at this, bro. This is Nice Cream. Emma said this is huge.
I'm American and I'm saying this is objectively large.
This is for $6. What do you think?
$6, it's a steal.
Yeah, this is Nice Cream ice cream right on 9th Street, Cinco. It's massive.
There's so many flavors. So many flavors. Oh my God, I couldn't choose.
I think that's the only bad part. You have to eat it quick because our temperature in Liberia too don't help it. And we have Ruby on the other side, not talking but showing action. I think the ice cream is bigger than your head, babes. Anyway, guys, from here we're gonna go, if not another place, home. So yeah, that's how we're spending Unification Day. Alright guys, so we came to TikTok, another restaurant here in Liberia. Came to Jack's event. He's having an event at TikTok. That's what we are right now. Let me show you what it looks like. And I might be ending the vlog right here. Yeah, we got the beautiful ladies over here. Alright guys, so we're gonna be here for a while, so I might as well end the vlog today. If you enjoyed today's video, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. And if you're watching this on Facebook, click my profile and follow me. Facebook, we're trying to hit 50,000 followers, and YouTube, we're trying to hit 10,000 subscribers. So let's get it. I know we can reach that number very soon. Like always, I'm Fizzle, your favorite Liberian boy. Until next time, peace, have a nice day, have a nice, actually, Unification Day, right? Yeah, have a nice Unification Day. Oh, and comment down how you spent your Unification Day.
Everything I'm on slab. Everything I do is